Hey guys, it's Naomi. I just got my Unitop U-Trainer in, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, show you guys everything that it comes with and how to use it. Let's get started. I got the Unitop U-Trainer Plus, which is a smart home gym. It came in two separate boxes, which weren't necessarily too heavy, but were still a bit big, so I would recommend a second pair of hands if they are available to you. Unitop's goal is to make top-tier, innovative fitness equipment that makes living a healthier lifestyle accessible for everyone. So I'm super excited to put this together, try it out, and let you guys know my thoughts. This is everything that came with the U-Trainer Plus. The accessories included to attach to the cables are a long bar, ankle straps, hand grips, standard handles, a rope attachment, and belt. These are really going to be your standard attachments and perfect for at-home workouts. On top of all the parts for the machine, you also get tools to assemble it as well, which is super helpful. The user manual included gives you everything you need to know to properly use the U-Trainer. If you scan the QR code here, it takes you to the app, which you can download for free. On the app, you have access to a ton of different exercise videos that you can do on your U-Trainer Plus that have instructions on how to properly perform the exercise. You guys know how much I love a good exercise breakdown, so I love that they have this aspect super helpful for beginners. I initially was trying to set this up myself, and I was able to do some of it, but definitely needed help because there was no way I could set this up all by myself just because some of the pieces were a bit large, and I just wasn't able to hold two separate large pieces at the same time. I was trying to attach them to another part. For that reason, I would 100% recommend having someone help you with the assembly. Otherwise, I know it would have been impossible for me. Once my husband got home, we were able to finish putting the U-Trainer Plus together much more seamlessly. As you can see, when it's folded up, it doesn't take up too much space, making it easy to store. Once you're ready to use it, you can just unlock it and fold the bottom half down. It also has wheels on the bottom, so you can easily move it around if you need to. The U-Trainer Plus does need to be charged in order to work, but the charger comes with, and you can use it at the same time that it's charging, so you don't have to wait for it to fully charge before using it. To turn your machine on, just hit the button here. You can connect it via Bluetooth to your phone via the app as well if you want to sync your workouts. To select the amount of weight you want to use, either turn the knob here to the right to increase the weight, or you can also control it from your app. Love that it's so easy to change your weights. If you're using free weights at the gym, you know that half your workout is simply getting the weights onto the barbell or hauling your dumbbells around. The U-Trainer has 100 different resistance levels, anywhere from 2 to 50 kilograms per side for a total of 220 pounds. For me, once it hit 20 to 30, that was pretty challenging depending on the exercise, so I think that having the option to lift up to 50 kilograms for most people will be more than enough. Once you're ready to use your U-Trainer Plus, simply unlock it, fold it down, and you're ready to go. I tried some of my favorite exercises on this right away to get a good feel for the machine and how it works. Right away, I loved the versatility you have with all the different attachments and heights of attachment, whether you want to do triceps pushdowns and need a higher attachment height, or bicep curls and need a lower height. You have the option for all of that. With all the different attachments, you are unlimited to the exercises you can do, from back exercises to chest exercises to arm exercises, abs, and entire lower body workouts right from this one machine. Incredible. Whether you want to do strength training, cardio, or a mix of both, you have that option and capability right from home with your U-Trainer Plus. You and your workout partner can easily get a sweat on at the same time as well using the U-Trainer Plus. If you want to watch something on your phone while you work out, on your U-Trainer Plus, just slip your phone right into either one of the holders on the machine. Super convenient. One of the things I initially noticed is that the machine only offers concentric force and no eccentric force. This means that as you pull the attachment away from the point of origin, you'll feel the resistance. However, as the attachment returns back to its point of origin, then there is no longer any resistance. There are some exercises that I was doing where I was definitely missing that eccentric resistance, but others where I didn't mind as much. However, you guys know I'm a lifting girly and I love my eccentric movements, so if Unitop were to add this in the future, that would make this machine an all-around winner for me with where I'm at with my fitness journey and my overall goals. It's also important to note that when using your U-Trainer, you need to stand on the platform or place your feet on the footrests in order to help stabilize and balance it. Unless you are quite light, then you don't need to. All in all, I think that the Unitop U-Trainer Plus is a great home gym equipment option for those who are either completely new or still in the beginning stages of their fitness journey. The amount of resistance offered is perfect for new lifters, and the exercise demonstrations and instructions on the app are also a great plus that you usually don't get with the workout equipment. But as you advance, you likely will want more of that eccentric resistance to really challenge you and help you progress. What do you guys think? Would you try the U-Trainer Plus? Leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks so much for stopping by today, guys. If you found this video helpful, of course, leave a thumbs up. And if you're not already, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on future videos that can help you reach your fitness goals. Don't forget to check out the Unitop U-Trainer as well. I'll leave it linked down below. Thanks again and have a great rest of your day, guys.